If you have pets, carpet, tile, or hardwood floors, you're going to want to see this cordless vacuum in action. This is the NADALY Cordless Vacuum Cleaner that I was gifted, and right out of the box you get the main motor unit, vacuum tube, floor brush, charging adapter, wall mount, and extra accessories for handheld cleaning. One thing I appreciated right away is that it was super easy to put together. You basically just have to click the pieces into place and it's ready to go in a couple of minutes. The handle has LED display that shows battery life, suction mode, and alerts, which makes it really user-friendly. And I like that it has 3 different suction modes. It has a minimum, a mid, and a maximum for all of your cleaning needs. Here's a quick look at the before dust cup. I tested this first on my tile floors, and wow, the suction was strong. It picked up all of my long, wayward hairs in one pass without just blowing them around. Next, I tested it on the carpet in max mode, and this is where you really see the power. It pulled up embedded dirt and hair that wasn't even visible on the surface. After I was done, I had to check out the anti-tangle roller brush, because if you deal with long hair or pet hair, you know how annoying wrap brushes can be. And I was really impressed to not see anything wrapped around the brushes. And honestly, seeing all of the things collected in the dustbin was both satisfying and slightly horrifying. A huge bonus is that it stands on its own. That may sound small, but if you've ever had to lean a vacuum against furniture and watch it fall over, you'll appreciate this. It also converts to a handheld vacuum, which is super convenient. You can use it to clean your blinds, stairs, cars, tight spaces, and even your furniture. And then when you're all done cleaning, you can empty the dustbin with just a push of a button and it all goes into the trash. So my honest opinion, it's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and powerful enough for both everyday messes and deeper cleaning. If you want a cordless vacuum that works well on both carpet and hard floors, this one is definitely worth checking out. And I feel like it feels more premium than many other cordless vacuums I've tried without being a premium price.